Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be cooking. I am also going to be doing my makeup and showing you how I do my nails at home. So if you're excited to see, then please keep on watching and subscribe. Okay, so I just finished doing my nails, as you guys can see. I actually do my nails at home ever since everything started. I stopped going to get my nails done professionally, and honestly I like it so much better because I'm always afraid of people cutting me. So I bought the little machine and I do them myself. These are gel nails, and the color that I have on is this one right here. It's by OPI and it's called Complimentary Wine. But right now I'm getting ready to make some lunch for Sandy and for myself. I have to take pictures for Instagram today that are gonna go up in a few weeks, and I'm gonna show you guys this hair dryer and brush all-in-one that I use that is life-changing. It's going to make your routine so much faster. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I have my robe on and I have to take some pictures, but I wanted to obviously bring a little bit of color onto my face, and I'm going to be using Pixie's On The Glow blush. And I love this because it's a cream and it just gives you a very natural finish. Now I am going to be using this Jaclyn Hill brush to really blend that. You see how that's so natural? So I wanted to share with you guys that I recently got a laser facial, and here you can't really see it, but I have little scabs throughout my face. And what that laser does is called a BBL laser. I'm gonna insert right here what it stands for. And what that does is that it targets pigment, it targets little veins that you might have on your skin. And what it does is that it makes the skin worse before it gets better, and then your skin forms little scabs. You're not supposed to take them off. You cannot wash your face with any scrub, so for 2 weeks after, and then the scab falls off and your skin looks amazing. You do need more than one treatment, so that's something to keep in mind. And I love it. I love it. I think it's an amazing thing to do to your skin. Immediately after, I noticed that my skin was red, but the next day my skin was just brighter. I'm gonna apply more. Okay. And you can apply makeup right away. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in a little bit of mascara. So long story short, I bought myself these DIY semi-permanent lashes at the house, and I gave them a try, and it didn't come out as expected. I took them off, so I'm gonna give them another shot, because if you think about it, what takes the longest are really your lashes. With any type of makeup, you have to wait for the mascara to dry. So this is a beautiful mascara, but I think it works best, as with any mascara, when the mascara gets tacky. You see, it's very natural, because the post that I'm gonna be doing is about it's this one, which I've been trying. This is True Alchemy, and it's an eye elixir, and I've been wearing this underneath makeup and at night, and it is great. Now I'm going to line my lips, and I'm gonna be applying a lip liner so that my lips actually show, because I naturally have no lips. Now I'm going to show you guys something very exciting, which is the brush that I told you guys about, and this has been a game changer for me. This one right here, it's full of hair because I use it all the time, and it's by Revlon, and I love this product. This had so many good reviews, and since I cut my bangs, I want to make them just fall naturally. I'm just going to like style my hair.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause